Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the nervous system and clearing movement constraints. Once mobilized, focus on diaphragmatic breathing and pelvic tilt to recruit deep core. Transverse abdominis first. Do a rapid baseline, 3 tests and note timing. This gives feedback. Start with gentle isometric holds for 8-12 seconds, then build sets. Make sure to cue bracing without breath holding and prioritize quality over reps. This establishes the motor pattern that everything else will rely on. Once the pattern is reliable, progress by sequencing anti-extension, anti-rotation, then controlled flexion under load. You will add weight and instability gradually. Kettlebell carries, pull-off presses, and controlled deadlift variations. Emphasize breath-timed bracing on every rep. This preserves intra-abdominal pressure and protects the spine. Make sure to increase load only when form is perfect, and track measures like load, sets, and perceived exertion, so you know when to push versus consolidate. You finish by integrating the core into full-body, task-specific movement. Practice the pattern in lifts, carries, and sport actions. Once done, schedule deloads and monitor asymmetries or persistent soreness. If technique breaks down, regress to isometrics and breathing drills, then rebuild load slowly. Make sure to reassess baseline tests weekly. Persistent sharp pain, neurological signs, or worsening pattern means stop and consult a clinician. This closes the loop, so gains are durable and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.